and you want to check the area out. Let me go ahead and see if I can bring this back up. 1 second. Okay, there we go. If you're coming to Walt Disney World to check out some of the theme parks here, you're going to want to know what hotels are near the Orlando theme parks. And I'm on the side of get the cheaper hotels near the parks here. So if we go on to the map here where it shows the Magic Kingdom, which that's the #1 park everybody likes to go to, I just want to show you some of the prices here. Bay Lake Towers, $823 a night. Beautiful places, but that's pretty expensive for a family. The Grand Floridian, which rocks, it's $785 a night. The oldest hotel on the property, I believe, is the first one, was the Contemporary, and that's still $661 a night. Now let's take that money, use it to better use, because you're not going to be living in the hotel room. Okay, now still on Disney property, you don't even get on I-4. You're going to come down here to Lake Buena Vista, where Disney Springs is, which is a great place to go, by the way, in the evenings, because they have live music here. They have restaurants, bars, AMC movie theaters. They have all these different stores and everything, and the little ferry out here for the kids. They even have a hot air balloon to go up in, believe it or not. Now the nicest place over here, which is way cheaper, Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace. It actually has a lazy river in the back area around the pool area. Let's see, $176 a night, and it's literally right across the road from Disney Springs. Now mind you, on this map, all these hotels are right next to Disney Springs. Do not take your family and walk over there. It looks close, but let me tell you what, you're going to do so much walking. Uber is allowed on the property in Disney. Just Uber ride over there. And some of these hotels even provide shuttle. If you go ahead and take the shuttle to, let's say, the Magic Kingdom, you're on property. It'll take you over there. It has to be there at a specific time. Even if you don't get there when it opens up, you're going to get there in a short amount of time. If you take your car, you're going to pay $30 a day for parking, and if you are not there before that rope drops for the gates, you're going to be sitting for 30 to 45 minutes on the roads waiting to get into the parking area. It looks pretty expensive to me, so again, we're trying to save you some money. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the Wyndham, which I believe is the cheapest place out here. That's $154 a night, and it has a beautiful pool area in the background, and even has a little restaurant, a bar area down in the first floor. But you can see this is Hotel Plaza Boulevard. You got a lot of hotels there, and this is just for 3 nights, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm just using this as an example from March 15th through the 18th. 1 room for 2 adults. So when you come to Orlando, make sure you reserve your room early, and don't do it right next to the Kingdom. They'll charge you an arm and a leg.